Welcome to a journey where TV meets the internet, revealing IPTV app wonders that excite. IPTV, standing for Internet Protocol Television, delivers TV content directly over the internet smoothly. This new form of entertainment beats traditional cable by offering more flexibility and choice anytime. Ever wondered how IPTV manages to bundle endless channels in one seamless app interface? Stick with us as we dissect this technology and explore its fascinating workings today. First, let's talk about how IPTV apps function to bring your favorite shows right home. The app uses servers across the globe to stream content at lightning speeds with little buffering. IPTV offers both live TV and on-demand options, doubling the viewing choices available to you. Next up, different IPTV providers bring unique features and plans. Want to know which is best? Let us guide you through selecting the perfect IPTV app with the best features for you. Look for high content quality, user-friendly navigation, and extensive channel lineup in your ideal choice. To optimize your IPTV experience, ensure a stable internet connection and select the right streaming settings. Avoid common streaming issues by adjusting resolution and using a wired connection for best results. Curious about where to find the best provider? Discover 2TV.store for top selections we recommend. This guide brings your subscription decision full circle with expert insights. Expand your viewing horizons. Thanks for joining this IPTV exploration, transforming how the world watches TV content every day.